Remote Deposit Capture Technology, RDC. It took hold in the early 2000s when Congress passed the Check 21 rule.
It allowed now organizations to start clearing checks electronically.
Because of that, businesses enjoy reduced clearing and labor costs, accelerated processing times, and reduced fraud. Today, though, businesses expect even greater capabilities from their RDC solutions. I'm technology host James Hilliard, here to share with you the multifaceted approach that only TransCentra offers.
The biggest benefits of RDC is, first of all, it saves the time and it allows organizations to now processing the deposits at much cheaper cost than they're processing today. Secondly, it also improves their cash flow. If you're sitting with a check for a few days and not depositing that check, you're not really investing or making money on that transaction.
Bhavik Patel is the principal for remote capture products with TransCentra, and he explains why customers like the solution.
Primarily because its ability to capture many types of transactions, and that can include checks and other documents along with it, as well as number of devices that are supported.
Bhavik and his team at TransCentra understand flexibility is key for customers, and their RDC solution is unique in many ways, including the fact that it is not just a capture solution.
It's a capture to clearing solution on a single platform. So as an organization, you can capture using a small flatbed scanners to a high-speed check scanners, and it allows ability for an organization to roll out these captured points and devices based on a need, and it's not a one-size-fits solution.
One aspect of the TransCentra RDC offering that does work for all customers, the software that ties the whole process together. Now, Bhavik, we have several different types of capture devices here. Is security an issue, one more secure than the other?
Not necessarily, because security is really handled by the JNB's core application. Regardless of what scanner or what capture devices you're using, either a mobile phone or a scanner, home scanner, or a specialized scanner, we never store any data on the devices itself. As this data is transmitted from the clients, any of these clients to the server, they're all securely transmitted using 128-bit encryption.
All right, Bhavik, we mentioned a bit earlier, there's some flavors of RDC, starting with a few that we have laid out here. Tell me what that is, where it is.
Well, this is our small capture solution. It allows today, for example, a brokerage company or insurance company who have many locations and receive deposits or payments, allows them to process the checks by scanning them through these devices.
Then we have basically an average kind of consumer capture.
Now we are taking this technology from a branch to now end users. So as a consumer level, you can actually make a deposit when you get a check to a bank.
The new kid on the block is something that a lot of people carry around with them now. It's mobile deposit.
And that's true. The newest kid on the block is really the mobile deposit. You know, we've evolved the technology now to the point where we can take a picture of a check and then convert that picture into a Check 21 compliant image and process that image through a Check 21 clearing network.
Along with choosing an appropriate capture flavor, companies also need to consider how they want to host the solution. And again, TransCentra offers choices to the customer.
Yeah, if organization does not have enough resources or does not want to put up upfront investment to roll out or host the RDC solution, we also offer this same platform and same solution as a software as services model, where we host the solution in our data center, state-of-the-art data center, and process these transactions just as if they were processed internally by an organization.
For end users, using mobile deposit couldn't be easier. You basically launch the application, a login screen comes up, seeks username and password. Next thing you can do is either review previous deposits or you can go ahead and make a new one. When you make a new deposit, you simply key in the check amount. Then, using the built-in camera on your phone, you take a picture of the front of the check. You want to have good lighting, and if the picture is clear, you click Use. If not, retake the picture. Then you flip the check over and take a picture of the back side. This time, when you click Use, the data and the image, these get securely transferred, and in seconds, you get a confirmation that the check deposit is complete. And then on the back end, customers can access a web portal viewing transactions, deposits, and exception reports.
In a remote capture world, when you do not really have a control over the end users or the end user system, you really need to quickly get to these exceptions and be able to manage it. And centralized dashboard allows you to do that.
Bhavik says it's really easy to point out the ideal mobile deposit user.
The ideal customer for mobile deposit is really anyone who receives checks and want to save time on making bank runs.
We hope we've given you some insight into the cost and process savings TransCentra's RDC solutions can provide your organization. We also know that every business is different, so to learn how TransCentra can work directly with you, we encourage you to look around this RDC website and to view additional videos for more information. You can also set up a one-on-one demo by emailing sales@transcentra.com, or you can call 866-747-2877. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to talking to you down the road.